Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Alhamdulillah, you make a lot of food at home today. We will tell you a recipe which will make your food more delicious. We are making garlic chutney. We will tell you how to make it. You can use it in a lot of food. We will tell you what ingredients are used to make garlic chutney. This chutney is made by adding 5 ingredients. What is the quantity of this chutney? This is 3 tablespoons of red chili powder, teaspoon of salt. You can add salt as per your taste. 10 to 12 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds. I am showing you 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, 10 to 12 cloves of tamarind. We have already soaked the tamarind in water. How to make this chutney? Let me show you. It will be very delicious. First, we have to remove the seeds from the tamarind so that the seeds do not spoil the grinder. We have removed the seeds from the tamarind. We are adding 3 tablespoons of crushed red chili, 1 teaspoon of salt, 10 to 12 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds. You have to add water as per your taste. When we grind it, it swells. We have added 1 cup of water. Our garlic chutney is almost ready. You can see that it has thickened. We have added 1.5 cups of water. We will keep grinding it. You can grind it as per your taste. The garlic chutney is almost ready. You can grind it as per your taste. You can add water as per your taste. Adding water will not affect the taste. You can use it with your food. People will remember you. Our garlic chutney is ready. If you like today's recipe, please like and share and subscribe to our channel so that you can receive our new videos. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.